I like my proteins the way I like my laundry, folded properly. But seriously, the effects of misfolded proteins can be devastating. Cells in our bodies need oxygen to produce energy by breaking down nutrients in our blood. Red blood cells are packed with hemoglobin, a protein that stores oxygen and circulates it to the cells. A genetic mutation that replaces one building block clumps them into fiber bundles that push against the cell membrane. The cell dies prematurely, leading to anemia. The list of diseases caused by misfolded proteins is long, and finding cures requires solutions to a decades-old problem. Given a sequence of amino acids, what is the lowest energy folded shape or native conformation of the protein? The challenge: there are 20 amino acids to choose from, for the thousands of their residues in typical proteins, some with multiple chains. Residues have different personalities based on their side groups. Parts of a single chain can coil up, flatten into sheets with contacts between unconnected residues and across chains. Molecular interactions in the residues would take millions of years to explore all possible structures. Proteins in our bodies do that in milliseconds. In a massive breakthrough, Google DeepMind's AlphaFold predicts protein shapes quickly. The revolutionary idea? Protein functions, and therefore structure, are robust to small genetic differences across species. Proteins must use evolutionary links to learn to rapidly fold. AlphaFold exploits the vast interspecies data to extract evolutionary links. This protein folding revolution boosts the ongoing revolution in gene editing, and the future is very bright.